how to add or change microphone in OBS. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be focusing on how you will be able to add another source for your audio input in your OBS. As you can see right now, our mic or aux is working right now, as you can see as I speak. And the way you will be able to modify this or change it is by clicking on the three dots over here, right next to or right within the mic or aux section over here. So simply click on the three dots and you will be able to see here some certain options over here. What you're going to look for is the properties. Over here in the properties, this is where you will be able to see the device. Now if you select this, as you can see, there will be a list of devices that is attached to your computer. So that is how you will be able to add them. And after this, let's say you click OK, you will be able to modify it by clicking on the same thing that you did or going over here, this section over here. By changing it, that will modifying the microphone that you are using on OBS. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.